Hi! In this video, we are mounting the Mosko Moto Reckless 40 on the Yamaha Ténéré 700 using the Perun Moto top luggage rack and tie-down brackets. Reckless 40 is a mid-size luggage system, well suited for weekend trips, minimalist camping or even longer travel if you pack efficiently. It combines a rugged outer harness with waterproof inner dry bags, offering a good balance between capacity and compact size. On the Ténéré 700, this setup works beautifully. The harness barely touches the front edges of our top rack, which helps reduce wear over time. At the same time, the side holsters rest against the bike's side panels, providing excellent support. For mounting, we are using the Mosko Moto Gnoblin quick release system, which makes installation and removal very fast. We will install the Gnoblin in the front mounting hole on the rack. The middle position can also be used if you prefer to move the bags slightly further back. Start by stacking the Gnoblin button and the two spacers onto the 25mm bolt from the kit. Keep the assembly within reach for the next step. Place the M6 safety nut and flat washer onto the tail plastic and align with the chosen mounting hole. Make sure the nut is oriented correctly with the nylon insert facing downward. Once the nut is in position, place the Gnoblin button on top of the rack, insert the bolt and start the threads by hand. After the threads are engaged, tighten the bolt to spec. On the harness itself, there are three mounting positions for the Gnoblin hardware. For this setup, we are using the middle one. The other two positions can be used if you wish to fine-tune the fit. The horseshoe bracket mounts on the underside of the harness, while the top plate sits on the upper side, secured with the four supplied bolts. With the hardware in place, we can mount the harness onto the bike. Make sure the Gnoblin locking pin is fully loosened. Align the harness with the mounting point and slide forward until it clicks into place. Next, we move to the lower straps. On the Ténéré 700, we secure them to the Perun Moto tie-down brackets. The C-hook slots allow for quick attachment and removal, without the need to fully rethread the straps each time. Route the straps carefully, making sure they are not twisted, and tighten them evenly on both sides to keep the system centered. With the harness secured, tighten the Gnoblin locking pin. Now we can load the dry bags. In this case, it's easiest to insert loaded dry bags after the harness is already mounted on the bike. Slide them into the side holsters, roll the tops at least 3 times, and clip the buckles to the harness straps. The rolled top buckles connect directly to the harness, not to each other. Don't forget to secure the central strap, then tighten the compression straps as needed. Repeat the process on the other side as well. If additional storage is needed, a tail bag can be mounted under the beaver tail. Here we are using a Stinger 8-liter tail bag. Thread the wide strap from the inside of the rear flap through the loop on the Stinger to keep it from sliding out. Then attach the G-hook to the loop on the front flap and tighten as needed. Close the beaver tail using the buckles and installation is complete. Even with the system positioned relatively far forward, it doesn't interfere with the rider. There is enough room both when seated and when standing on the pegs. The only noticeable contact happens with the tail bag when moving all the way back on steep downhills. In our case, even riding with the backpack didn't present any issues. With everything properly adjusted, the Reckless 40 sits securely on the bike and remains stable in all riding conditions. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.